What happens if you eat almonds every day? Eating almonds regularly may seem unlikely due to their high fat and calorie content, despite being rich in protein and dietary fiber. However, there are several advantages to consuming almonds daily, such as enhanced digestion, improved cardiovascular health, and even possible weight loss outcomes. The following are 7 unexpected benefits of consuming almonds daily, aside from their satisfying and delicious taste. 1. They're good for your brain. With high levels of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, almonds can promote satiety and help you feel full for longer periods. Furthermore, they are an excellent source of omega-3s and antioxidants. Another benefit is their low sodium content, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Almonds can aid in weight loss by increasing satiety and prolonging feelings of fullness. A study discovered that women who snacked on almonds during their diet shed more weight than those who didn't. Additionally, almonds make a fantastic snack for young children, as they are both nutritious and satisfying, and can be easily carried on the go. 2. They can help lower your cholesterol. As a snack, almonds are an excellent choice because of their high fiber content, which has been demonstrated to decrease cholesterol levels. Furthermore, studies have revealed that almonds are more efficient than olive oil in lowering LDL cholesterol levels. Additionally, almonds provide a higher amount of protein per ounce than other types of nuts. They are also convenient to consume on the go and portable, making them an ideal snack option for satisfying hunger cravings. 3. They're good for your gut. While almonds are commonly consumed as a snack, they can also benefit your digestive system in unexpected ways. Here are some surprising advantages of consuming almonds on a daily basis. Almond butter is a protein-rich food that may aid in weight loss. Almonds are a valuable source of vitamin E, which can help protect against cancer. 4. They may help regulate blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of almonds may help manage blood sugar levels and can be a beneficial inclusion in the diet of individuals with diabetes. Due to their high fiber and protein content, almonds can assist in stabilizing blood sugar levels. In contrast to other nuts that contain elevated amounts of fat, almonds are low in saturated fats. Studies have also demonstrated that the monounsaturated fats present in almonds may improve cholesterol levels. 5. They can help you lose weight. For individuals monitoring their weight, incorporating a daily serving of almonds may be beneficial. According to a study conducted by Purdue University, participants who added roughly 1.5 ounces, 43 grams, of almonds to their diet every day for 4 weeks had less abdominal fat than those who did not consume nuts. 6. They're good for your skin. Almond oil is frequently used as a moisturizer due to its advantageous properties beyond its high alpha-tocopherol content. Almond oil has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory characteristics and can enhance skin elasticity. Studies have demonstrated that almond oil is substantially more effective than mineral oils in preventing dry and itchy skin. 7. They may help reduce the risk of cancer. While many individuals recognize that almonds can be a healthful component of their diet, there are numerous advantages to consuming almonds on a daily basis that are frequently overlooked. For example, regular consumption of almonds may help reduce the risk of cancer. A study discovered that women who consume an ounce or more of almonds daily have a 20% lower risk of developing breast cancer. Additionally, almonds promote weight loss. In a study, Overweight adults who consumed approximately 3 ounces of almonds per day as part of a low-calorie diet lost more weight than those on the same calorie-restricted diet who did not eat nuts. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.